All right, it's just this one is a simple one. I just make a single swan there, then I tucked it in right there at the back, and tucked in a little part of that tail and flip it out. Make it looks really nice. Put some petals on the bed right there. Good, beautiful. All right, and I show you in the video before how I make the swan. You just find the center of the towel and hold the boat and start folding from that end, from both end, from your hand length. Start folding, start folding, start folding until it comes straight up in the middle, both of them. Then you got your elastic band, and then you put your elastic band around it to hold it together. Then you get your swan, and you can set it up how you like it. It's really nice, really beautiful. All right.
All right, you're available. Okay,
Good.
sorry, boy.
All right. So we just setting up. Setting up. I already show you this one. That's a puppy right there. So he's relaxing, not barking on anything. So he's good. Come. Calm down yourself. Alright, it's good, real nice. Yeah. Nice, you're outside. Pool water is so beautiful, I feel like to jump in right now. Real nice. Alright. Good, so that's 3 rooms. There you go. One with the heart here. And this one tails there. It's good. Beautiful. Really nice. Alright, so that's it for upstairs. So I'm going downstairs and finish up with the other 3 beds. Alright, so we have pool here and everything. We can shoot some pool. Hail to the legend by Marley. Yeah, man. Greatest. So thanks again, guys. Thanks for watching. I'm Alex Hamilton. Remember, Mr. Fix It here. Please subscribe to my channel. Give me some likes, some comments below. I'll keep sending new videos of different kind of stuff because I do everything. So I'm sending in some videos of this, videos of that. So you will see something new again about Mr. Fix It. So this is something different from me that I can do also. So please subscribe, share my videos, give me some like, and make this thing happen. Thank you. Peace out.